iPhone 11 gets a 3D hologram, keeps Face ID. The follow-up to the iPhone X is expected to be largely similar to the predecessor, but bigger. Designers like Concept's iPhone, Ran Avni, still see some room for innovation, as they envisioned the iPhone 11 with a crazy 3D hologram mechanism. While the device's format and general design are similar to the iPhone X, it's the hologram thing that puzzles us. Also, the 3D hologram has been hooked up to Face ID, so when your face is being scanned, it shows that in real time, via 3D projection. Speaking of which, the device is able to project a virtual keyboard and interface onto a flat surface, like a desk or wall.